Welcome back to Miss Auto Review. Today, we're looking at the highly anticipated 2025 Bumpy King Auto Rickshaw, a vehicle that promises to bring style, efficiency, and reliability to urban transport. The design of the Bumpy King 2025 has been refined with a modern touch. Its aerodynamic body enhances fuel efficiency while giving it a sleek appearance. The spacious interior ensures passenger comfort, making it an excellent option for city commutes and longer journeys. Under the hood, this auto rickshaw is powered by a 200cc engine, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. It provides smooth acceleration, making it easy to navigate congested city streets and handle inclines. The enhanced suspension system ensures a smoother ride, reducing vibrations on rough roads. Safety is a major highlight of the 2025 Bumpy King. It comes equipped with front disc brakes, offering reliable stopping power. The reinforced chassis provides structural strength, ensuring better protection for the driver and passengers. The stronger body frame reduces the impact of minor collisions, increasing durability. Technology in the Bumpy King is another standout feature. The digital instrument cluster displays real-time information on speed, fuel levels, and engine diagnostics. It also includes USB charging ports, allowing passengers to charge their phones during travel. This makes it a driver and passenger-friendly auto rickshaw. The environmental impact has also been addressed. The 2025 model complies with latest emission standards, featuring a catalytic converter that reduces harmful emissions. This makes the Bumpy King a more eco-friendly choice, especially in cities struggling with pollution. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While official prices are yet to be announced, experts predict it will fall between 400,000 Pakistani rupees to 450,000 Pakistani rupees. This places it in the same range as competitors like the Sasgar Deluxe XLA, which is currently priced at approximately 495,000 Pakistani rupees. The Bumpy King will be available in multiple color options, catering to personal and business preferences. The seating arrangement is designed to accommodate 3 passengers comfortably, with ergonomic seats and ample legroom for a pleasant ride. Fuel efficiency is a key factor for auto rickshaw drivers, and the Bumpy King delivers an estimated 25 kilometers per liter, making it a cost-effective option for those covering long distances daily. Maintenance and servicing have been simplified in this model. With easily available spare parts and an extensive service network, drivers can expect minimal downtime and low maintenance costs. In conclusion, the 2025 Bumpy King Auto Rickshaw is set to be a game changer. It combines modern design, strong performance, safety, and eco-friendliness at a competitive price. Whether you're a driver looking for reliability and efficiency or a passenger seeking comfort and safety, this vehicle has something for everyone. That's all for today's review on Miss Auto Review. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.